Welcome to Appspotr Academy. In this tutorial, we'll cover the Send Push Notification logic block, which allows your app to send notifications directly to users. This block is key to boosting user engagement by delivering timely updates and information. Imagine a retail app sending notifications about a flash sale. By using the Send Push Notification logic block, the app can notify users instantly, driving traffic and boosting sales during the event. Let's dive into the steps to configure the Send Push Notification logic block in your app. Drag the Send Push Notification block into your workflow, integrating it into your app's logic sequence. Next, connect the Send Push Notification block to an event from your view. This event, defined as an output event, will trigger the push notification. Click on the Send Push Notification block to open the configuration settings. Here's what you need to set up. Choose the platform for which the notification is intended: web, Android, or iOS. Next, enter the notification title, message, and an optional image. These will be displayed to the user when they receive the notification. After that, define the navigation path to direct the user when they click on the notification. This could lead them to a specific page or section within the app. Configure the inputs such as input title, input body, input image, and input groupid. The input groupid can be used with the self tag to target notifications to a specific user. Finally, set up toast messages for on success and on error scenarios. These messages will provide immediate feedback to users based on the outcome of the push notification process.